What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE man, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and a feed over the upcoming Air Jordan 4 Neons, aka Air Max 95s. If you guys are new to the channel, what I need you to do is subscribe right now and hit the notification bell right now for your boy, and please like the video. The goal for every video is to pass 100 likes, and the last couple of videos you guys have been doing that consistently, man, so I really appreciate it. It also shows YouTube you guys are really enjoying the content, man, so please keep it up. If you guys do not know, we're doing an Air Jordan 1 Court Purple giveaway. The rules for the giveaway will be in the description box below, and one of the main rules is to follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World, which is linked down below. And just to give you guys a reminder, I dropped an early review on feed over the Air Jordan 1 Court Purples, as well as the Air Jordan 6 DMPs, man. Very clean, very dope. Make sure you go check it out and leave a like. And also the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, man. Hands down my favorite out of all the releases so far that I picked up. I was happy they brought these back, so make sure you guys go check out the on feed I did for these Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds. It's probably by far the best one I did on the channel so far, man, so please go check it out. So with all that out the way, we're gonna jump right into this review over the Air Jordan 4 Neons, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, let's check out the box real quick. We got that white Jumpman up top with that neon flight down below. Inside the box you get some black and white tissue paper right here. Check it out, check it out. And then the size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, Cool Gray, Bolt, and Wolf Gray, and these joints retail for $225. I got these in the size 9.5. Already did the on feet portion for these Air Max 95 4s, so go true to size in your Air Jordan 4s. A couple people always ask me in the last couple of videos, should I go true to size, go half size up? So I recommend you guys to go true to size in your Air Jordan 4s as well. First things first, let's check out the tongue real quick. You got that like half and half tongue right here, as you can see. You guys are gonna check it out in the bureau as well. But you have your black and white on the right side, and you have your neon and wolf gray on the left side, man. Very dope, different touch, something we're not used to seeing with our Air Jordan 4. And I feel like they did very well with executing this sneaker to mock the Air Max 95s. Checking out the laces as well, you have all 3M laces, very dope. Of course, you can throw in some neon, some Volt, you know what I'm saying, laces, or even some wolf gray or some black laces, man. If you want to see some of those different, you know what I'm saying, lace colors and lace styles, go check out Jay the Sneaker Guy's video he just dropped a couple days ago. And actually I got this pair from him as well, man, so I will link them down below. Shouts out to him. You guys will really enjoy that on feet, so please go check it out. And under those 3M laces, man, you have that netting piped all the way up to the tongue, and underlying that netting you have some black mesh, as well as on the outer of the shoe and on the inner of the shoe as well. Checking out the back of the shoe, you have that small Nike Air on the back, something we're not used to seeing with the Air Jordan 4s. You know, we used to seeing that big Nike Air on the back, but it's smaller, of course, you know what I'm saying, to inspire that Air Max 95 vibes. Checking out the inside of the shoe, you have that neon or that Bolt insole right there, and you have that black Nike Air, and pretty much the whole shoe is made up of suede. It has suede on the upper, you know what I'm saying, the midsole, and even leading down towards the outsole of the shoe. You can check it out. All this is suede, man. Very dope. I'm really liking it. Something different, like I said, and you guys know I love the different type stuff that Jordan Brand does to the shoe, and I can see why they charge you that extra $225, man. You got the 3M hits on the back, you got the 3M hits in the laces, and you have suede just all over the shoe, man. So extra 30 bucks is not that bad when you're spending it on these Air Jordan 4 Air Max 95s. Looking right here at the side, you can see your neon hit or your Volt hit holding your laces right here, and on the inside of the shoe as well. And then checking out the air unit on this Air Jordan 4, you can see the neon inside, which gives it, you know what I'm saying, that more Air Max 95 vibe, bro. And it's very clear to where you can see, you know what I'm saying, that neon popping out on the air unit right here and on the inner of the shoe. The quality on the suede is very good. It's nothing cheap. You can tell Jordan Brand put that premium touch on the shoe, and you have like a more rugged suede on the midsole of these Air Jordan 4s. Checking out the outsole, you have all black, and you have, of course, your little neon hits up here and right here, and you have your black Jumpman on the bottom. All in all, I'm really enjoying these Air Jordan 4 Air Max 95s. They released this upcoming Saturday, March 21st, and they retail for $225. I don't see the shoe selling out instantly. Like I said, I can honestly see these going to the outlets, and like I said, later down the line, a couple years down the line, I can see these rising in resale a lot, just because it's an Air Max, you know what I'm saying, 95 vibe. And for Jordan Brand to collaborate or to even inspire a shoe after those Air Max 95s, I think it's very dope, and it's gonna catch a lot of people's eyes later down the line. But $225 is pretty steep, so I can see why people are gonna pass on them for the time being. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you'll be going after these Air Jordan 4 Neons, and let me know if you're gonna be passing on them. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to this quick review. If you have not liked the video yet, man, make sure you hit that like button, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, so you can get more early dope content that drops on this channel. I appreciate all of the support, man. Make sure you go take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple giveaway. All the rules will be linked down below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Enjoy the on-feet over these Air Jordan 4 Neons, aka Air Max 95s, man. Let's get it.
Letting you go, I was just letting you know. I know the weather is cold, but you on your own. I ain't no regular Joe, you should've left me alone. I'm in the zone, I'm where the predators roam. We at the Senate in Rome, and I'm on the throne. This ain't no regular poem, this ain't that regular tone, no. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop. She want attention, I play the field with my henchmen. She want me back in detention. I study lessons, I'm in a different dimension. I move in different directions, we playing chess. She just gave me the address, see the lady in the dress. She the lady in my text, see the lady is a test. These days I roll alone, tryna stay the f*** up off the phone. Tryna come the f*** up off the poem, not tryna get cuffed up, cuffs and stones. Playing for keeps, I'm a Top Gun, she playing the sheets. When the ops come, I play for my team, go play with yourself, stop playing with me. Do you follow me, baby? Can you see what I have? Do you like what you see? Do I follow your path? I don't know if I like you, I just know that you bad. Who you driving me crazy? You could drive in that cab. Hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out. Always been a player, never dropped out. Rather cop the necklace before I cop out. I say this shit with my chest, I laid a brick on my ex. I had to go on a quest, I had to grow and progress. Something that's hard to accept, I know I'll never forget, and it's a bet. I keep my memory fresh, I hope my enemies blessed.